Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You've had a long day, your skin is looking a little lackluster, and you need something to give it that instant refreshing boost. If you've been searching for a quick pick-me-up for your complexion, today's product just might be the answer. We're talking about the THALGO Express Purity Shot Mask, a product designed to help restore your skin's clarity and balance. Before we dive into the review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beauty tip from us. Let's talk about what the THALGO Express Purity Shot Mask promises. This product is all about delivering clearer, fresher skin with an immediate impact. It's designed to tighten pores, soothe irritation, and help balance sebum production. For those dealing with excess oil or clogged pores, this mask aims to prevent those pesky inflammatory skin reactions that can lead to breakouts. I was really intrigued to see how this mask would work, especially since many products claiming to balance oil production don't always give that instant fresh face result. It's a clear gel texture, easy to apply, and doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. I left it on for the recommended 10 minutes, and I could immediately feel the cooling effect, which felt incredibly soothing. In terms of usability, this mask is a dream. It's straightforward to apply, and the fact that it only takes 10 minutes makes it perfect for busy days when you still want to pamper your skin. I tested it both in the morning and evening, and I love that it doesn't disrupt my skincare routine. Whether I'm using it before makeup or as part of my nighttime routine, it fits seamlessly. Now, let's talk about how it performed. After using it, my skin definitely felt smoother and looked less shiny, especially in my T-zone. The tightness around my pores was noticeable, and my skin looked brighter and more even-toned. While it didn't completely erase my usual skin concerns, it did help balance things out in a way that felt refreshing without drying me out. On the flip side, there were a couple of minor things to consider. While the product works well to control oil, it didn't have that deep hydration some masks provide. So, if you're someone with dry skin, you might want to layer it with a good moisturizer afterward. Also, while it's soothing, I didn't experience dramatic calming effects from my redness after just one use, so you may need to apply it a few times to see that difference. Now onto the pros and cons. Pros: the texture is light and refreshing, perfect for anyone with oily or combination skin. You can feel the immediate cooling and pore tightening effect. Quick and easy to incorporate into your routine, just 10 minutes and you're done. Helps balance sebum production and control shine, leaving skin looking more even. Cons: might not provide enough hydration for those with dry or sensitive skin. Doesn't provide instant relief for redness or inflammation for everyone. You may need a few applications to see a significant change. As for value, THALGO Express Purity Shot Mask falls into the mid-range price bracket for beauty products. It's not the cheapest, but the results you get in just 10 minutes make it worthwhile, especially if you're someone who wants a quick fix for oily or problem-prone skin. The price feels justified for the performance, especially for the convenience factor of a mask you can use during your busy day. So what about other options? If you're looking for something more affordable but still effective, there are other clay masks out there that help control oil and tighten pores, like those from The Ordinary or L'Oreal. However, if you're willing to splurge a little, THALGO is known for using high-quality marine ingredients that contribute to its effectiveness, so you're paying for that added luxury. In terms of build quality, the mask comes in a simple but sleek packaging, making it easy to store. I haven't seen any signs of deterioration or issues with the packaging, so it seems durable. Since you only need a thin layer, the product should last quite a while. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I didn't need to contact the brand directly, but THALGO has a reputation for responsive customer service, so if you ever run into any issues, they'll likely be on it quickly. To sum it up, the THALGO Express Purity Shot Mask is a fantastic quick fix for anyone looking to balance oily skin, tighten pores, and get a brighter, more even complexion. If you have oily or combination skin and are looking for an instant refresh, this product will definitely do the trick. It's not a cure-all for major skin concerns, but it's a great option for a quick boost. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.